I got gifted a bunch of cooking magazines and figured, you know what, let's do a haul. So, show you what I got. The Honey Healing Kitchen. Well, that's going to have some good ones in it. Family Circle Best Dessert Recipes. Yum! Tasty desserts. Taste of Home. Looks like there's some copycat recipes in there, so that'll be interesting. Better Homes and Gardens Roasted. Ooh, pan roast recipes. Those will be really nice for the fall time. Family Circle Hometown Favorites Cookbook Volume 5. Looks like there's 50 recipes in there. Diabetic Desserts. So that'll probably have some nice lower sugar items. All Recipes Holiday Magic. Excuse me. Taste of Home. Nice. Looks like they've got 90 recipes in that one. Taste of Home's Quick Cooking. This has 126 recipes. Taste of Home, and this has 90 recipes. Another Taste of Home, this has 86 recipes. Cooks Illustrated. Nice, that's a big magazine. Another Cooks Illustrated. Another Cooks Illustrated. And another Cooks Illustrated. My goodness, so many of them. Also, we have a Cooking Light magazine, the magazine of food and fitness. Here's another quick cooking magazine. This one has 125 recipes. Here's an all recipes magazine. That looks really nice. We have a slow cooker's favorite. 50 recipes in this one. Excuse me. The Pioneer Woman magazine, or Pioneer Woman magazine. Looks like there's 36 recipes in this one. The Best of America's Test Kitchen Recipes. Nice. And finally, Cook's Country, The Gift of Babka. Yum! That looks really nice. So, I don't know how many magazines there are here, but quite a few. I look forward to delving into these and picking out some nice recipes to try out. Let me know if you ever get recipe magazines specifically for recipes, and if you have a favorite, let me know what that favorite is in the comment section. I don't think I have a favorite, but I do love magazines that have recipes in them. I find it to be just a really quick and easy way to access recipes without having to have my phone and mess with stuff on there. So I like the old school where you actually can feel the pages and see the pretty pictures and all the good stuff. So let me know your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.